Coding into the summer, elementary and middle school students from across the district are building on their technology skills at the MedTech7 STEAM Summer Camp at Ladies Island Middle School. About 60 students are taking 4 space-themed courses as they learn to use different types of technology. In this class, students are learning about robotics.
We're making like space rovers, and we're coding the rovers to do different things, like make it change colors, go faster, do 360s and things like that.
So we're just coding the robots to go through obstacles, and we had to build the robot by ourselves with just instructions.
Students are also completing space challenges.
Let's create a platform for it.
Using Legos and microbits.
We're making like red light, green light, so to like direct traffic. If we were on Mars, you can put different settings into it to make it like flash and make it slowly flash or make it speed flash or just make it freeze and then it will change into a different color.
What's challenging about it is you have to remember all these, like what all the code does, and trying to put it in the right order to make sure it works right.
Students are also designing and building their own water bottle rockets and will soon be launching them up into the sky.
I'm putting tape and my favorite colors, royal blue, purple, and red.
We are making water rockets, and we have to pay attention to what style of rocket and how much pressure and water we put into the rocket.
And kids are using ZBook technology to create and design video games.
I'm learning how to code a game and also facts about, well, different things. We first start coding and we kind of make a sprite and then we kind of test the game.
This is a second week-long STEAM camp offered by MedTech7 this summer. Earlier this month, a different group of students took part in the camp at Whale Branch Early College High School. At Ladies Island Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
All right, what's the next step, ladies?